Alright, so I just received the last piece that I need for my front bumper. This is the chin. I already have the lip. This is the chin. It's the other lip. And I'll just have to remove my easy lip one. And this one will slide right underneath and go all the way around it. But what I'm gonna actually do is I'm gonna sand it down, I'm gonna primer it, I'm gonna clear coat it. I'm gonna sand it with 600 and then I'm gonna primer it and hit it with clear coat. Alright, there it is, all nice and scuffed up. I'm gonna rinse this down, wash it off, then I'm gonna hit it with the primer. Alright, I'm gonna just dry this off and I'm gonna let this set in the sun for a while. Alright, I'm gonna wipe it down one more time and then I'm gonna spray it. Alright, and this is the primer I'm gonna be using. It's a flat black. I think it says, oh, flat black. Hot rod. Alright, I'm gonna just spray it down. I'll probably give it like a few coats. Alright, I have some 2K clear coat. And it's starting to get pretty dark already. I'm gonna finish this up and then I'll install it tomorrow. And I'll paint all of it with some clear coat. Alright, so it was a little bit cold already when I sprayed that clear coat and I really didn't like it, so I sanded it down again with 600. I wet sanded it and it has a bunch of little grooves in here. I'm just trying to smooth them down so when I lay the next coat of clear coat tomorrow in the sun, hopefully it comes out a lot better. But it's coming along, that's all I gotta say. Alright, it is now the next day and I have the temperature a lot more controlled. I have the heater going here and have the paint warming up as well. So, yep, should be good to go. Spray some of this here. This is a new can. And that's the hardener for the clear coat. So now, I'll just hit it again. And this time, it should come out a lot better. Now I'm gonna close the door to kind of give it the effect that I need. Because if you notice, it's hella cloudy in there now. So that clear coat is just gonna continue to fall on itself and it's gonna give me this little rough texture that I need. If that don't work, I'm gonna just have the guy that does our body fucking do it, man. The guy's back there doing the car right now. Eventually, I'm gonna have a professional paint you, baby. None of this backyard shit. Ooh, it came out super glossy. Came out good. Yeah. It's gonna be the glossiest part on the car. There it is. Pretty dang good. Sheesh. Look at the light reflecting off of it. Boy. Another upgrade coming soon. Alright, I just removed all of these screws. Here is the old lip. Goodbye, old lip. Alright, and there it is. Kind of low-key scared I'm gonna put this on because it has to be centered, but I have no one to help me. So, good luck to me. I don't like it. It looks ugly as fuck. This shit is horrible. I guess it's supposed to fit without the HFP lip. Ain't this a bitch? It looks horrible as fuck. Tomorrow I'm taking that shit off. That shit is shiny as fuck. It looks cool, but it just don't fit. Damn, that's glossy as fuck. Yeah, I'm gonna take this shit off. Looks like this sucker got like punched in his mouth. I don't like it. I don't like it. Alright, and there it is. Back to normal. I was looking at this. I think I mounted it wrong. I think the screws were supposed to come through here. Oh boy. Here we go again. Oh dang. It's starting to look a little bit better. Okay. I guess I'll take off that old lip and I'll give it one more try. Alright, and there it is. I actually like it now. It looks pretty good. It looks way much better. Fuck yeah. Who knew I just installed it wrong? I was just trying to match up the folds. I don't know if it's right or wrong, but it looks right to me. Sweet. I hella like it now. What do you guys think? Looks pretty good. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Oh yeah. Looks way much more better. I like it now. Heck yeah.